Okay, this question goes out to all my graphic designers out there. I might look at the poster you're creating and like, why don't I make this move? And that's what we're going to do in today's video. Okay, After Effects, first what we're going to do is we're going to work on this our 1000 text right here. But basically what I did is I converted the text into a shape layer so I can work on it very easily. Next time I'm going to do, I'm just going to come to around 3 seconds here. Then I'll do Ctrl-Shift-D so I can duplicate that layer. Now on this, my outline layer, first one, I can open it up. All I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my contents here. Then open up my individual layers. So this is my one layer. I can open up the fill under it also, and I can alt-click this opacity stopwatch here. Now I will type in an expression that is wiggle. They are going to put 10, 500. That's cool. So what I'm just going to do, I'll just copy this expression here, and now I'm just going to paste it on my other number layers. So I'm just going to paste it in this 0 also. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I can just close it up. All I'm just going to do is I'm just going to move this keyframe back by some frames like this, right? And I'm just going to extend it to around 4 seconds right here. So what I can do now, my outline layer 2 here, I can click on it to open up our opacity keyframe, and I'm just going to make the final opacity here of 100%. Come to around 3 seconds here and change my initial opacity to 0. So what we're going to have this smooth blending animation that just stabilizes over time. And that's cool. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm just going to my floating icons right here. Yeah, let's rename it so that you guys don't come for me in the comment section. Whoa, please, before going forward, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it if you are. Comment down below if you enjoy this kind of tutorials and you would like me to do more of it so that I can get back to you as soon as possible. So let's jump back into the video. So now what we are going to do is we're going to create, first of all, a scale up animation. So I can just come to my scale keyframe here by clicking S. Now I'm just going to move down somewhere around here and make the keyframe at 100%. And now I'm just going to move this forward somewhere like here. Now for my next keyframe, I'm going to make this 120, and for my final keyframe here, the somewhere around here, I'm going to make this 0. We're going to have this popping animation right here, but happening too slow. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move these two closer together, and I'm just going to drag this closer to this also. And that's cool. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on P to open my position keyframes here. I'm going to alt click the stopwatch here, and same thing, I'm going to type in wiggle. I'm going to put 1, comma, and I'm going to put 30. So what we're going to have, we're going to just have this hovering around like this. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on U to get all my keyframes ready, and I'm just going to select this and just copy it. Now I'm just going to come to my next 2 icon layers here, these 2 flat icon layer here, and just going to paste it. Now I'm just going to offset time a little bit so that the both of them don't just pop up at the same time. So something like this. Now for these 2 also, I'm going to open up P, position keyframes, or click the stopwatch here also, and I'm just going to type in my wiggle. That is 1, 30. I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to paste it here also. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this my picture entering the frame here. So let's rename this again. Pick What I'm just going to do here, I'm just going to move this back somewhere around here. Somewhere like here. Yeah. And now click on P to open up our position keyframe. Let's go to the end here and just make a keyframe on it. And let's move back somewhere around here, and let's just bring this down until it's outside our layout. And that's cool. And I'm just going to do almost the same thing, or click stopwatch and just paste my wiggle effect also. Okay, what I can see is that my wiggle effect is working a little bit too well, so I'm just going to reduce this down to 20. So what I'm just going to do now is I'm going to this my thank you layer here, and I'm just going to let's click on it. I made this poster in Photoshop, so from here now I can create and convert it back to an editable text. So if I do that now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to my effects and presets here and just go back to the beginning of the timeline here, and I'm just going to type in opacity. We're going to put opacity sticker in, and this is what you're going to have. Okay, now and finally what we're going to do is let's just come to this moment in time here, so let's say 4 seconds, and we're going to handle our subscribers text here. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to open up P, bring up my position keyframes, and now I'm just going to go forward to around 5 seconds here and make a keyframe, then move back to around 4 seconds here, and I'm just going to drag this downward also. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to same thing, or click stopwatch here, paste this in and change this 30 to like a 20. What I'm just going to do now is I'm just going to trim my composition area. So let's see, so somewhere around here, and I can click here and go to trim composition to work area. So thank you guys for watching that video. Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I would not have done it without each and every one of you that watched my video, like my video and shared my video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you like this kind of content, you can share it to a friend, I don't know, someone that you think that is going to like this content, or someone that just think might like me. Who knows? And I'll really appreciate it. So until our next video, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and gain endlessly. Peace. I'm not seeing after it. We'll keep going.